Hello and welcome back to Knowledge Hub. We explore the wonders of modern technology. Today, we are going to take a closer look at one of the most fascinating inventions of our time, the modern-day aircraft. For over a century, planes have revolutionized the way we travel, connect with people, and conduct business. The first flight by the Wright brothers in 1903 was just 12 seconds long, but today, planes can fly non-stop for over 17 hours, covering thousands of miles in a single journey. How did we get here? Let's find out. The modern-day aircraft is a marvel of engineering, with sophisticated materials and state-of-the-art technology that allows it to fly faster, higher and more efficiently than ever before. The fuselage, or the body of the plane, is usually made of aluminum or composite materials like carbon fiber, which makes it lightweight and strong. The engines are the heart of the aircraft, and they have come a long way since the early days of aviation. Modern planes use jet engines, which work by sucking in air from the front and compressing it before mixing it with fuel and igniting it. This process creates a powerful thrust that propels the plane forward. The interior of modern planes is designed for comfort and convenience, with spacious seats, in-flight entertainment systems, and even Wi-Fi. Some planes even have private suites and showers for first-class passengers. But what really sets modern planes apart is their advanced technology. Planes are equipped with sophisticated avionics that help pilots navigate, communicate, and control the aircraft. They have sensors that detect turbulence and other weather conditions, and they use satellite technology to communicate with air traffic controllers and ground stations. All these features work together to make modern planes safer, more reliable, and more efficient than ever before. And they continue to evolve with each passing year, with new designs and technologies that push the boundaries of what's possible. One of the most common types of aircraft is the commercial airliner, which is used for passenger travel. Commercial airliners like the Boeing 747 or the Airbus A380 can carry hundreds of passengers and travel at speeds of over 500 miles per hour. They are designed for long-distance travel and offer a range of amenities and services to make the journey comfortable. Another type of aircraft is the cargo plane, which is used for transporting goods and products. Cargo planes like the Boeing 747-8F or the Airbus A330-200F can carry heavy loads of up to 100 tons and travel long distances without stopping. They are essential for global trade and commerce, as they enable the transport of goods across the world. Military aircraft are another type of aircraft, used for defense and combat operations. These include fighter jets, bombers, transport planes, and surveillance aircraft, among others. Military aircraft are designed to operate in harsh and challenging conditions and often have advanced technology and weapon systems on board. But what about the future of aircraft? One of the most exciting developments in modern aircraft is supersonic flight. Supersonic aircraft like the Boom Overture or the Ariane AS-2 can travel faster than the speed of sound, reducing travel time and enabling long-distance travel in a matter of hours. These planes are currently in development and are set to revolutionize air travel once again. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about the wonders of modern technology. See you in the next video.